Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to build a website using AI. Quick and easy. No coding skills required. Let's dive in. First, head over to an AI website builder like Wix, ADI, or Bookmark. These platforms leverage artificial intelligence to make website creation a breeze. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll be prompted with a few questions. The AI needs to understand your site's purpose. Select options that best match your vision. For example, choose blog if you want to share articles, or e-commerce if you're planning to sell products. Next, pick a template. The AI will suggest some based on your answers. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Click Start and watch the magic happen. The AI will generate a fully functional website in minutes. Now, it's time to personalize it. Use the drag and drop editor to tweak elements like text, images, and videos. It's super intuitive. Just click on an element to edit. Need to add a new section? No problem. The AI builder usually has pre-designed blocks you can easily insert. Want to add a blog or an online store? Just select these options from the menu. The AI handles the complicated stuff in the background. Don't forget to optimize for mobile. Most AI builders offer a preview mode to see how your site looks on different devices. Make sure everything looks perfect before you publish. Once you're happy with the design, hit Publish. Congratulations! You've just built a website with AI. Remember, the AI is there to assist, but your creativity brings it to life. So experiment, have fun, and make something awesome. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.